We've rounded this down pretty good. So now it's going to fit inside our body well. So now we're going to take our shaping tool and further round it. We'll use this tool here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and like on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. We're going to keep shaping this down. And you see why we mark our center, because we lose our center when we start sanding this all down. So we're going to keep working on this until we get it nice where we want it, and then we'll use our palm sander to sand it down smoother. So thanks for watching.